Hey YouTubers, this is old John. I'm gonna put my snow blade on my John Deere tractor. We got about 4 inches of snow. Excuse all the mud on my tractor tires. I just aerated my lawn last week, and if you've ever aerated a lawn, you get lots of mud on your tires. So I'm hoping to get a lot of that off as I go out and push snow on my driveway. John Deere snow blade. This is a 46-inch snow blade. Got it from Lowe's. I'll leave the information on that. It costs around $350. But you have to have these pieces mounted on your mower, and I just leave them on all the time. But this is the first piece that needs to be put on. Can't remember what the name of it is, but it has a big cotter pin here. It has a pin that stays on. Simply mount these on both sides into these grooves. And then put the cotter pins in. So I put these cotter pins in. I'm going to try them from the inside out. Yeah, that way you can get to where the cotter pin goes more easily. Have to watch the cotter pins don't go in as far. They may pop out, so I may have to change that orientation. Then we have to position the blade. And I leave the turning mechanism and lifting mechanism on. Cotter pin and washer that goes on this side, and a washer on this side. So now we put this rod here that goes up to the lifting assembly. It's the drill into the bottom hole of the piece we just attached. And then connect this to this rotating pin, and they give you a hole here that I'm sticking my finger through to help you mount it. Like that. Attach it with this cotter pin. So when you put this piece in, make sure you slide it all the way to the back, and you're putting this into the second hole. Then we need this rod attached here and here. I have to pull this back. cotter pin goes in here. Like so. And you just pull down on the blade here, and if you want to rotate it, you push down on this, and it may need some adjustment, but that should allow you to rotate it. It has instructions here on the handle, and that releases it. So we slid the piece from the, well, first we mounted this big piece onto these struts that are, I just leave on. And then inserted this into here in the second hole, put this rod through, and then the top sliding bolt, we put the top of this, bottom went into the second hole, or the first hole of this, and we attached this rod here, and we're ready to go. Okay, YouTubers, there's the blade used. First time this winter of 2019. I need to adjust some of these cables a little bit. I was having a little trouble getting it to go up and down and rotating. You push the handle completely down like this, and that allows you to rotate it, which I'm having trouble now, so I need to adjust the cables. But I've cleared off pretty well. Now this was a 4-inch or 5-inch snow, but it melted down to 2 or 3 inches. So there's my solar panels that I have out. I'll show you a video on that. I'll leave you a link for that if you're interested. Mounted on my John Deere wagon so I can rotate them and move them to track the sun. They run my refrigerator in my kitchen. So, did a pretty good job. I also cleared my neighbors across the street. If you can see over there, the 3-car garage. It's on a slope. I need chains or probably weights to help. I leave the mower deck mounted on it. Gives me some extra weight, kind of in the rear, middle to the rear. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I have lots more like this. I'll leave a link to my playlist on all the things I've done on my John Deere, but I do all kind of DIY projects in the house and outside of it. So this is Old John signing off.